poem created by Emilio Jaramillo. Emilio, you are my best friend, and it doesn't matter if you go. This friendship will never end and always will grow. I always be there if you need support. Doesn't matter where or how long or how short the trip will be. Emilio, you are the best person I know. Even if you are a mess, you still being a great person and you always say yes. Emilio, I love when we play because you were the best. Even if I see you one day, you still being my best friend. Emilio, I have many good things to say, but it doesn't fit at all. I will still invite you to play, but remember, you still being my best friend. Dedicated to Emilio Molina, Nicolas, Alex, Camilo, and I will miss you a lot.